Getting motivated or inspired. 1. Read and listen to works that inspire you. If you're feeling lost, consider absorbing other people's knowledge. Many people find motivation and fresh life direction in the writings. In addition to writing numerous excellent books, interviews that may be found online, you're likely to discover someone who inspires you if you book, even though they might not be your cup of tea. Try the self-help or inspirational section at your neighborhood library. 2. Visit both new and old locations. One of the most potently changing experiences you can have is traveling. You'll be pushed to face obstacles and actively live when you travel to far-off locales that are outside your comfort zone. 3. Play uplifting music. For a lot of people, music can be tremendously inspiring. It is one of the most effective methods for getting close to the composer or vocalist and evoking strong feelings of connection. Classical music, particularly the second and third movements of Beethoven's Piano Concerto No. 5, has the power to transform some people. More contemporary music is beneficial for other individuals. 4. Establish a sense of connection and accept it. You can tap into and utilize an often nebulous sense of kinship with the bigger human soul. The media that elicits this feeling is unique for each person. Poems are read by some people. Some people give their time to charity. Some people are parents. 5. Discover your mission. We will feel most motivated and awake to the possibilities this planet has to offer when we're living a life that offers us a purpose and lets that purpose be achieved. Each person has something to contribute, whether it be to the earth, to people, or to some other cause. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.